Friends, good evening. A very happy New Year and happy Pongal, advance happy Pongal. All right, so directly to the point. Um, I'm not running around the bush and diverting to the point, diverting the point, but I'm directly coming to the point here. If you are looking for internships in the space of data analytics and data science, then you may stay and continue the session. You might want to understand what all various things that I'm gonna explain here. So if you are in the space of data science or data analytics, or if you want to get into this exciting field of data, then we from 360DigiTMG, in association with Innodatatics, are offering this internship program. This is to ensure that we help the community cover the most important issue that a majority of people have. That is the practical exposure. There are a lot of people who are trying to get into the space of data science and data analytics. They're trying to get the trainings done. There are people who are joining the 4-year engineering program for the graduation in data science and AI. So for all those people who are trying to get into the space of data science and data analytics, you might want to register for this free internship program so that you will be able to get the practical exposure in it. So we will be following the industry standards for accomplishing a business solution. And here we will be implementing analytics to provide that solution or develop that solution. Now, this is a completely free program and it runs for 30 days duration. This is based on our experience in executing these kind of similar projects. And in fact, we keep doing this very now and then. Very often we keep doing this free internships. People who have failed to join last few weeks, right? When we launched this free program, if you have failed to register yourself because of various other priorities that you have, maybe this time you don't want to miss the opportunity to register for the program. The 30 days duration is broken down into 2 phases, friends, because you'll also have to practice and learn some things which we will be using practically when we are implementing the project. And to help you, we basically divide the learning resources into 3 different slots. We will be providing videos for you so that you can go through those videos, practice on the concepts that are provided in the videos, and then you also have to show that you have learned. So we assess your learning by asking you to provide solutions in the LinkedIn questions. Now, these are not MCQ based, these are detailed answers that you'll have to post. Now, I know MCQs are very easy, but I keep saying MCQs is like close your eyes and randomly choose one option, right? So it is not going to tell us how well you have actually truly learned. There are genuine students who are trying to learn, right? I always appreciate these true efforts, but we also want to ensure that whatever the program that we are launching as a community service, we want to ensure that this service is put into the effect in an appropriate way. So to ensure that this happens, we track your learnings from the answers that you're going to post on the comment section. This also has other benefits, like your profile becomes more and more stronger with more relevant topics or more relevant content being posted in your profile. And when employers will look into your LinkedIn profile, they'll also get that confidence that yes, this person is basically very active in the stream and he is knowledgeable in this particular analytics field. So from that perspective, we use LinkedIn page, and you'll have to start answering the question so that it also helps your profile to be built. Now, once this learning phase is done, whatever we have learned, all those things will be implemented in the next 10 days. Now, 10 days, you may say, hey, is it good enough to accomplish the job? The answer is yes. In order to ensure that we appropriately utilize your time, we have a mentor who will be guiding you through these project implementation. So you will have a data scientist who's an industry expert, and this expert would be connecting with you on a daily basis in a meeting, which happens for 15 minutes, Monday to Friday. And in that meeting, you will be guided on what you should be doing, and we will be discussing on what you have done and what was the error if you have got in. If you focus on these tasks, what you have to do in the next 24 hours, then the entire program is done and dusted in 10 days. 10 days is more than enough. Okay, it's huge time. So the program is divided, structurized into such a way that it becomes very simple for you to accomplish a data analytics solution development. Now, once you're done with this development, once you are coming up with your solution, you're going to host that solution on your LinkedIn platform also. How? Once you submit all the artifacts that you have developed with respect to the project, right? It's a customer's property that you are developing, whatever the development that you do. So once you submit all the work, then you will be given a certificate. On successful completion, you will be given this project certificate, and this certificate goes into your social media, LinkedIn page, and various other platforms where you want to showcase, including your resume. And we're not charging anything for these program, friends. It's absolutely free. It's a community service that we are trying to offer. Of course, this is a 30-day duration program, right? So it's a free program, so you will have 30 days duration. If you want to go for a full-blown program, then it takes somewhere around 6 months or 1 year program as well, depending on the project size. I'll showcase some of the projects that we have performed, right, in the industry. So this is one of the projects where our team is working on, wherein we look into the clamping. And this is in a manufacturing sector. The machinery, the assembly of the machinery is happening. And if the assembly has to properly complete, then there's a sequence of steps that the staff has to implement. So you can see the worker is basically trying to assemble things. So we are seeing whether this is happening in the right order or not, and whether it is successfully completed or not. There's another project similar to that. You can basically see here. This is talking about pallet damage identification. Okay, so what is this pallet? Let me show you. Oh, this is, sorry, my bad. This is with respect to, I should read this. Machine prediction, right? Machine failure prediction model. So unplanned downtime is causing loss of productivity. So how can we be proactive in order to ensure that the machine does not even go down in the first place? This is again in the manufacturing sector. This is another very interesting project where you are doing the reading of the steel rods automatically by the AI engine. These are all the full-blown projects that our team works on. And this is my profile, friends. I'm one of the directors with Innodatatics, and I'm a senior trainer with 360DigiTMG. Right, and we do all these right, advanced, interesting, research-based projects. They're really, really challenging projects in the industry, and we try to provide a solution by developing it. So your experience would be on those similar lines. I'm representing 360DigiTMG, and you can always go explore this website. There are many resources that you might want to explore. learning resources. It provides you a bunch of features or applications which helps you to assist, right? It basically assists you in your preparations. Animated learnings, a resume mapper application will try to give rating on your resume. We also have a quiz module, data tech profiler, then architectural design assistant. We have a book that you can take for your practice purpose on data science concepts. You have mind map. So all these are a bunch of benefits that you will have on the website. You might want to explore these various applications. And we are present in YouTube and LinkedIn. LinkedIn, I've also talked about this, right? You'll have to go through the LinkedIn page to understand the questions, and you'll have to actively participate on that. And here you can see this is the YouTube channel, and we have a lot of interesting things lined up. These are all live sessions. If you register and subscribe to this particular channel, you'll be getting all these advanced, interesting sessions for free. Okay, so these are all different live videos, right? We keep conducting, and you can take the advantage of these live sessions. On the LinkedIn page, as I told, right, we will be posting very interesting stuff. We will talk about the internship program details. We're talking about latest trends and techniques that are happening on the industry, right? And we also talk about the research work, and we do conduct these live sessions. Okay, this session is already there on YouTube. So these are all our alumni, and our friends were able to crack the toughest of the job interviews, and they shared their experience on how they practiced and what all things that they focused on to ensure that they have got the skill set which basically help them to clear the interviews. And our alumni is there on Big Four companies, not just in India, and top MNCs across the globe as well, friends. You can download the PDF file here. And in the PDF, right, you'll also have the LinkedIn, LinkedIn profile links also. You can always connect with them and ask them to share their experience. They are all industry experts now. They're working for the industries. So they have gained that knowledge to crack the interviews and now settled into their dream jobs. All right. So this is what we basically want to offer. So the process of registration is very simple. All you will have to do is subscribe to the WhatsApp community. The link of WhatsApp community is shared in the chat window now. You can register into it. You can join that community. Once you join into the community, you have all sort of details that are required for you to understand how to take this internship program forward. We keep sharing all the details there in that community. That's all you have to do. Just join the community and you'll basically be registered into the internship program. You'll have to be very, very focused. You'll have to be active. Ultimately, it is the foundation step for your industry exposure. Right, and this basically defines your future career paths, how serious you are with respect to your career, right? So depending on that seriousness, you'll also have to put the right amount of efforts into the learnings. So from our side, we are trying to provide a platform which can lay as a foundation step, the first foundation step to kickstart your careers into data science and data analytics. That's all I have from my side, friends. If you have any questions, please post them. I would be very happy to answer them. If not, then once again, advance Pongal, advance wishes to Pongal, and thank you so much, friends, for joining. Take care.